Okay, so this is where we stayed last night. I got it wrong. It's 17.6 miles. Pretty good, huh? Around the corner. And this is where we were parked last night. Really peaceful. So this is the next morning. Video just got uploaded. That took some time. But yeah, this is it. This is it. Okay, so we're about to head out to our next location, which is going to be a trailhead about 4 hours from here. So, should be some beautiful scenery along the way, and we'll keep you updated.
It's the man in the tree, so I gotta find him.
Yep, so here we go. Take it.
Your favorite restaurant and store, Stuckies. We're in Stuckies that is similar to when I was a kid. Got more modern stuff now, but oh yeah, I remember that. Didn't Dad buy you that?
We stopped at Stuckies. Haven't been to one of them in so long. Hop's in there getting some breakfast for us. Second breakfast. Gotta have second breakfast. And my little girl is out here. So I came out to be with her. Okay, so we got second breakfast from Stuckies.
Yep. I couldn't
Sausage, egg, cheese,
I got
and a homemade biscuit.
ham, egg, and cheese on a homemade biscuit.
And
I couldn't find my favorite coconut spread that we used to get at Stuckies when we were little kids. I found everything else but that.
but this is worth the journey so far. This is delicious. Okay, this will be walking. It's a pretty steep hill. I think it's the Delaware River. A big boat going by.
I have this view where we're gonna sleep. Just looking, we're on the track. It's a bike and a walking track. We're fishing up there. Ooh, pretty breeze. cute. Cricket heaven, y'all. Cricket heaven. Back home it's cicada heaven. We used to pick red choke cherries.
We're even a little bit high for that. Hope he made dinner. Looks good to me.
Good.
We shall see. Let's hope he had a little bit all the way down there. Okay, so we woke up here in this great spot, and oh, I like earrings. And I got sidetracked there. Hold on. Yeah, we woke up in this great spot, South Loomis Trailhead or Loomis Trailhead. Quiet,
Yeah.
peaceful, beautiful.
Birds and crickets, that's it.
And the walk,
Really didn't hear the
the
crickets
walk
at
we
all.
did last night was brilliant.
Goes
So-
down to the waterway.
So this morning we're gonna head out and get some Dunkin'. Gotta get some Dunkin'.
Yeah.
Maybe a bagel and cream cheese for breakfast, so we'll see. It's only about 4 minutes from here, so we'll see.
Building, huh? I think it's a Catholic church. I won't swear on it.
Pennsylvania 423 north for 5 miles.
Church of... I can't read it.
I think we're in the Pocono Mountains right now,
Yeah.
and this road is windy and beautiful, colorful, and driving me batshit crazy. There's ups and downs and bumps and lumps, off camber, but it is beautiful. See?
Whee!
we're staying the night. It was a fishing competition today. Pretty amazing. Absolutely beautiful. The colors in the trees as well. Right as the sun's going down. Just gorgeous. Okay, here's where we're spending the night. It's a boat dock. That's a ferry terminal right there. This is Lake Champlain. Just beautiful. Beautiful. It was 85 degrees today. Colors are amazing right now. Just beautiful. Hope's in the van cooking dinner. What a location. That's where we're at, Lake Champlain. Okay, compliments to the chef. We got country style ribs, fried potatoes,
Onions,
whole onion,
butter, avocado oil in that, and a little bit of onion salt.
and it is delicious.
Soy sauce. I think there's something else.
Yeah, so that's dinner here at Lake Champlain. 1764. Bit. Bits.